the place where you just get turbocharged by these AIs. They're not perfect, they make mistakes, and so you really need to make sure that you know the work is being done to your level of expectation. But I think that it is fundamentally about amplifying what every person is able to do.
That you play, come on, you want it. Come on and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐가, you and what, no one else. Come on, you want it. Come on and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐가, you.
Hallo, ich bin Learny, dein persönlicher Prompting-Experte.
Come on and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐가, you and what, no one else. Do you want to party? Who it up, she baby? I won't tell nobody. 내가 널 지켜줄게 however you want it, my baby. Do you want to party? Who it up, she baby? I won't tell nobody. 내가 널 지켜줄게 however you want it, my baby.